Welcome to the Gurmat Sangeet podcast, a personal journey into the world of Sikh sacred music. Before we begin, the team at Almast Media has a request for you. If you are enjoying this podcast, please be sure to rate it, write a review, and most importantly, encourage your friends and family to listen.
ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे जिन मिले मारे पंच सूरवीर जिन मिले मारे पंच सूर ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि जिन मिले मारे पंच मारे पंच सूर भी ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि जिन पंच मार बिदारे गुदारे जिन पंच मार बिदारे गुदारे सो पूरा एकली रे सो पूरा एकली रे ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਦੇਣਾ ਅਗਲੀ ਸੀ ਸੋ ਪੂਰਾ एकली रे सो पूरा एकली रे जिन मिल मारे पंच सूर बीर ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे जिन मिल मारे पंच सूर ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसा कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि दोबारा फिर समझो जिन मंच मार बिदारे गुदारे जिन पंच मार बिदारे गुदारे सो पूरा एकली रे सो पूरा एकली रे जिन मिल मारे पंच सूर भी ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि रे ऐसो कौन बलि.
We have been in New Jersey for a couple of years, and my Gurmat Sangeet journey is continuing. We attend the Bridgewater Gurdwara and occasionally the Sunday Central Jersey Sikh Association gathering, which takes place in a rented hall. I now have a harmonium that was acquired during a trip to India, and I occasionally sing the shabads that Bhai Sahib Nazar Singh had taught me at home. I'm also slowly trying to expand my repertoire, and I hack out the melody of a shabad that I have heard over the years. The shabad is Bhavjal bin Sabde Kyon Tariye, sung by Sardar Sohan Singh Ji. On my last visit to Gangtok, I had asked my father to record a set of 6 LPs titled Guru Nanak Foundation Quincentenary Shabad Recordings for me on cassette tapes. I had grown up listening to the Shabads on these LPs without ever paying close attention because they were often played in my home. I had been excited to bring back copies with me because the LPs included recordings by Bhai Dharam Singh Zakhmi, Bhai Avtar Singh Gurcharan Singh, and Bhai Samund Singh, among others, names that had started to mean something to me. Bhavjal bin Sabde Kyo Tariye in Rag Bhairav was from that set of LPs. Finally, I muster the courage to sing the Shabad, my rendition, of course, a pale imitation of the original, at the Central Jersey Sikh Association Diwan one Sunday. My cousin, Sardar Arganjan Singh Guleria, is one of the organizers there, and he very kindly arranges a slot for me to sing. The Sangat is very kind and offers words of encouragement. My rich interactions with my mentor Baldev Singh and Hardev Singh Sahota ji also continue. From both of them independently, I learn of the Rakab Ganj Kirtan Vidyalaya in Delhi, a seminary that has produced many stellar Ragi Jathas. One of the senior-most graduates of the organization, Bhai Surjit Singh, lives in Long Island, and I get the opportunity to listen to his excellent kirtan. I learn about Gyani Dayal Singh, who all his disciples know as Ustad Ji, who runs the seminary. Hardev Singh Ji swears by him and shows me some books written by him, which he uses extensively to learn new compositions and teaches children. Over the years, these books are to become my most precious Gurmat Sangeet resource, and I use them to learn Shabads as well, and new compositions to teach to my students in New Jersey and Massachusetts. One of them is this little gem in Rag Brindavani Sarang, documented in Volume 1 of Gurmat Sangeet Sagar.
ਇਹ ਬਿੰਦਰਾਬੰਦੀ ਸਾਰੰਗ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਸਾਰੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੁਰਾਤਨ ਰਾਗ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦਾ ਵਾਦੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਭ ਤੇ ਸੰਵਾਦੀ ਪੰਚਮ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਓਡਵ ਜਾਤੀ ਦਾ ਰਾਗ ਹੈ ਭਾਵ। ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ 5 ਸੁਰਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਇਹਦਾ ਰੂਪ ਹੈ मोहन गरिया वो करो जो दरिया मोहन घर 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 मोहन घर करो जो दरिया मोहन घर करो जो दरिया मौन करो अब माने बोलो मौन करो अब माने बोलो भूल चूक तेरी पे चरिया मोहन घर करो जो दरिया मोहन घर मोहन घर वो करो जो दरिया मान करो अब माने बोलो भूल चूक तेरी बेचरिया मोहन घर करो जो दरिया मोहन घर निकट सुनो अरे पे को नहीं निकट सुनो अरे पे को ना भरम भरम दुख भरिया भरम भरम दुख भरिया निकट सुनो हर पेखो न भरम भरम दुख भरिया होए कृपाल गुर लाए पार दो होए कृपाल गुर लाए पार दो मिलो लाल बन हरिया मोन गोर को करो जुदरिया मोन गोर को करो जुदरिया मोन करो अब माने बोलो भूले चूक तेरी बेदरिया मोन गोर को करो जुदरिया मोन गोर को मोन गोर को मोन गोर को.
I receive a phone call from Bhai Surjit Singh informing me that, quote, Ustadji is here, in case I wish to see him. I drive from New Jersey to Long Island for my first meeting with Gyani Dayal Singh Ji. I meet an irascible, energetic man in his mid-50s. He is impatient. He almost seems to mock my earnestness when I share my passion for Gurmat Sangeet and express my dismay at the sorry state of affairs and the dilution of the tradition. When I ask him about what might be done to stem the decline of the Gurmat Sangeet tradition and bring about a renaissance, he seems cynical as he points to the broad indifference of the leaders of the Panth towards the Guru's music and decries the quality of kirtan at our most prominent institutions. I have already become aware of Gyaniji's contributions to Gurmat Sangeet. I have listened to Bhai Surjit Singh and Bhai Kanwarpal Singh, his senior-most students, in addition to engaging with his books. This is clearly an impressive and dedicated individual, but as I drive back home, I feel a vague sense of disappointment and discouragement at the meeting. I do not know it then, but that is just his personality. He is a bit of a curmudgeon. He doesn't suffer fools gladly, and he doesn't warm up to anyone quickly. He is completely bereft of the polish and social graces that many of our senior kirtaniye carefully cultivate to survive and thrive in a culture that values flattery over substance. He is blunt, opinionated. He is a person who never hesitates to speak his mind. Rare qualities all. The years pass. I start teaching Gurmat Sangeet at the Bridgewater Gurdwara Sahib in New Jersey, and then get involved with Gurdwara management, particularly when it comes to arranging for jathas and organizing kirtan programs. I build strong relationships with several of Gyaniji's students, most notably Bhai Surjit Singh, Bhai Kanwarpal Singh, and Bhai Prakash Singh, inviting them to special events and encouraging them to present the gems in their repertoire that they have learned from Gyaniji. I suspect that word of the high esteem that his senior students are held in at Bridgewater starts filtering back to Gyaniji. Our next meeting is very different. Gyaniji accompanies Bhai Surjit Singh on a visit to Bridgewater. After the Kirtan program, we sit down to talk at the home of my good friend, Dr. Gurprakash Singh. Gyaniji seems like a different person altogether. We talk at length. He holds forth on the state of Gurmat Sangeet and talks about the Gurmat Vidyalaya at Rakabganj, which he has been leading now for more than 2 decades. He answers every question I ask him frankly, often displaying his characteristically acerbic wit. Here is one of Gyani Dayal Singh Ji's original compositions in Rag Bhopali, sung by Bhai Surjit Singh. Vocal accompaniment is provided by Bhai Brahmpal Singh. Gyani Ji's son Mintu is on the tabla. The shabad was recorded at the Bridgewater Gurdwara Sahib.
Raji mein Raji jo मन सा पूरन सरना जोग मन सा पूरन सरना जोग जो कर पाया सोई हो राज में राज जोग में जोगी अब मैं तपी सर ग्रस्त में भोगी राज में राज जोग में जोगी राज में राज जोग। ਇਹ 11 ਮਾਤਰਾ ਸੀ। ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ 3 ਤਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਜ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜ ਜੋਗ ਮੈਂ ਜੋਗੀ ਰਾਜ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜ ਜੋਗ ਮੈਂ ਜੋਗੀ ਰਾਜ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜ तप में तपी सरग्रस्त में भोगी राज में राज जोग में जोगी राज में राज जोग में जोगी राज में राज जोग में जोगी तप में तपी सरग्रस्त में भोगी राज राज जोग में जोगी राज में राज हरन भरन जग नेत्र पारे हरन भरन जग नेत्र किसका मंत्र न जाने हो राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा अनंत रूप मंगल सद जाके अनंत रूप मंगल सद जाके आनंद रूप मंगल सद जाके आनंद रूप मंगल सद जाके सरब लोग सुनिए करता के राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी तप में तपी सरग्रस्त में भोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा ध्याये ध्याय भक्ते सुख पाया ध्याये 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 ध्याय भक्ते सुख पाया ध्याये ध्याय भक्ते सुख पाया नानक जिस प्रभु किन्ने अंत न पाया राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी तप में तपी सरग्रस्त में भोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा जोग में जोगी राज मेरा राज में जोग में जोगी राज में राज जोग
Over the years, my relationship with Gyaniji deepens. I am in Delhi for a quick business trip. Fresh off a plane, jet lag my ally, I summon a rental car and go to Gurdwara Bangla Sahib to listen to Asadivar. A visit to Bangla Sahib in the wee hours of the morning is always energizing. However, I cannot help feeling a twinge of disappointment at the somewhat banal, commercialized rendition of Kirtan by the presiding Jatha. My attention wavering, I get up to leave after about 45 minutes and ask my driver to head back to my hotel. Then, on an impulse, I ask him to take me to Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib instead. In sharp contrast to Bangla Sahib, Rakabganj bears a somewhat deserted look in the mornings. Asadivar at Rakabganj begins not at 5 a.m. but an hour later. As I enter the Gurdwara, I hear the first body of Asadivar being sung in seemingly girlish, unpolished voices. It is, however, being rendered in Rag Asa, as it should be, according to the traditions of Gurmat Sangeet. I see 3 young Singhs, perhaps 13 or 14, threadbare shawls on their shoulders in an attempt to ward off the January chill, spiritedly rendering our magnificent morning ballad as it has been sung for centuries. I sit down to listen, and am transfixed for the next hour. The young Kirtaniyas, with great gusto, sing the first 4 parties in Rag Asa and the next in Rag Bhairav. The shabads they sing are also traditional compositions in the same rags. The urgent tug of the meetings that had brought me to Delhi cuts short the wonderful experience, and I hurry back to my hotel, energized and renewed by the sincere and soulful kirtan of the young Kirtaniyas, determined, however, to return. The Gurmat Vidyalaya at Rakabganj, which is where these young Kirtaniye in training are from, is one of the premier institutions in the Panth where the traditions of Gurmat Sangeet have been taught for decades. The Vidyalaya has been run since 1967 by Gyani Dayal Singh Ji. It is with some trepidation that I call him that afternoon, because of course Gyaniji has the temperament of an ascetic and does not take kindly to distractions from his work with the children. The next day being Lodi, I arm myself with fruit and sweets for the children of the Vidyalaya and make my way to Rakabganj. Gyaniji has asked me to come at around 5 p.m., which is when the children take a break from lessons. I do not have words to describe the next couple of hours. Gyani Dayal Singh Ji, ascetic demeanor notwithstanding, is warm and welcoming. I get a veritable history on the founding of the Gurmat Vidyalaya, Gyani Dayal Singh Ji's teacher Gyani Hardit Singh, and Gyani Ji's groundbreaking collaboration with Gyan Singh Abtabad Ji and the Rababi Pai Taba Ji, which resulted in the documentation and preservation of ancient melodies employed in Kirtan from the very times of the Gurus. As a side note, we shall delve into Gyan Singh Abtabad Ji's endeavors in another episode of the podcast. We also spend time commiserating with each other on the sorry state of Gurbani Kirtan, where mediocrity and money rule with scant regard for the traditions of Gurmat Sangeet, and often utter neglect for the few exponents who choose to remain true to the traditional path. The most uplifting part of the conversation is brainstorming what could be done to encourage and support the few stalwarts who continue to preserve the traditions. I am completely charmed by this gruff and unpretentious man, a father figure to so many, who has dedicated himself so unselfishly to the Panth, living in conditions of poverty identical to those of his poor wards, without seeking fame or recognition, often fiercely fighting the impassive bureaucracies that our Panthic institutions have become to keep the Vidyalaya going. I get a sense of Gyaniji's commitment to the young men, drawn from the poorest families from Uttar Pradesh, who over 4 or 5 years of grueling instruction he turns into raggis, ready to serve the panth and capable of earning a living for themselves. 2 hours later, I reluctantly tear myself away, as I have a tanpura to purchase. Here is a bit of the Asadivar rendition that I heard at Rakabganj the previous morning. This will surely not be the most sophisticated rendition that you will have heard, but there is a different kind of magic in it. I am hopeful, dear listeners, that it will convey at least a sense of what I felt on that chilly morning in Delhi.
सब जन्म धन धन्ना जन नानक मुसक झकोलिया
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद आसा महला पहला हुआ श्लोकाना श्लोक भी महले पहले के लिखे मुंडे असराज
बलहारी गुर आपने द्योहाड़ी सदवार जिन मानस ते देवते किए करत ना लागे वार महला दूजा
जैसो जिंदा उगवे सूरज चढ़े हजार एते चानन होंदिया गुरबिन घोर अंधार महला पहला
नानक गुरु ना चेतनी मन आपने सुचेत छूटे तिलबुआर जो सुइया अंदर खेत खेत अंदर छुट्टिया कहो नानक सोना फलियां फुलियां बपड़े भीतन बिच सुहा कोड़ी आपी ने आपी ने रचियो ना कोई सादिए कर आसन करता आप तुस देव करे पसाओ तू जानो सब से दिल से जिंद हवा कर आसन डिटो चा श्री वाहेगुरु जी वाहेगुरु
कोड़ी आपने आप साजियो आपने सुनाओ साजिया करासन डिठो जाओ दाता करता तुझे इतना बताओ तू जानो ये सब
Years pass. Gyaniji visits us in Boston, where his student Bhai Gopal Singh is in service at the Milford Gurdwara. We spend many memorable hours together. Gyaniji holds forth on every subject related to Gurmat and the Panth. He has me in splits with his blunt, rustic and iconoclastic sense of humor. He is comfortable enough with me now to lapse into his normal, expletive-laden manner of speaking, which would make many a Punjabi truck driver blush. And what stories he has to tell of the great Panthic figures of the past, particularly the Kirtaniye. He has rubbed shoulders with all of them. Stories tumble out about the legendary and colourful Gyan Singh Almastji, the Muslim Rababis of Sri Harmandir Sahib who left for Pakistan in the wake of partition, by Samund Singh Ji, with whom he played Dilruba at the Sri Harmandir Sahib as a young man, and who he seemed to esteem above all other raggis, by Santa Singh, the brilliant raggi with a quirky personality, his teacher Gyani Hardit Singh, and his grand ustad Pandit Nathuram. I have recorded hours of conversations with Gyaniji over the years, and I plan to edit them, or shall I say, boodlerize them and share them with you, dear listeners, as the story of the sage of Rakabganj continues in future episodes. I leave you with this beautiful rendition in Rag Bilaval by Gyani Ji. As an aside, playing tabla with Gyani Ji on the recordings featured in this episode is the well-known Ragi Pai Angad Singh Ji.
बिलावल राग दी पड़ताल है जो पहले एक ताले विच फिर इसदा रूपक ते सुलफाग विच आएगा, दूसरी बारी 3 ताल ते सुलफाग विच आके फिर इसदा स्थाई दे उत्ते मुका होएगा। इसदा यह भी लय जिहड़ी है एक दूसरे दे नाल मिलनी चाहिदी है, पड़ताल विच एक खास विशेषता हुंदी है। जी बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम पतित पावनो, बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम नाम पतित पावनो, हर संत भगत तारनो, हर संत भगत तार, हर बार पूरे रे जल थल राम नाम, जल थल राम नाम नित गाय हर दुख बिसारनो, बोलो।
Thank you for listening to the Gurmat Sangeet podcast brought to you by Almast Media. I'm writer-narrator Sarpreet Singh. Our theme music comes to us from 2 brilliant young Sikh musicians. It is a rendition of Rag Bhairavi by Raginder Singh on violin and Nihal Singh on jodi.
हर संत भगत तारनो, हर बार पूरे रे अजल तल राम नाम, राम नाम नित गाय हर दुख बिसारनो, बोलो भैया राम, बोलो भैया राम हर किया है सफल, हर किया है सफल जन्म हमारा, हर किया है सफल जन्म हमारा, हर जपिया हर जपिया हर दुख बिसारन हर, हर जपिया हर जपिया हर दुख बिसारन हर, दुख बिसारन हर, गुर भेटा है, गुर भेटा है मुकत दाता, गुर भेटा है मुकत दाता, गुर भेटा है मुकत दाता, गुर भेटा मुकत दाता, हर की हमारी सफल जाता, गुर भेटा है मुकत दाता, हर की हमारी सफल जाता, मिल संगति गुण गवनो, मिल संगति गुण गवनो, बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम नाम पतित पावनो, हर संत भगत तारनो, हर भर पूर जय जल तल राम नाम नित गाय हर दुख बिसारनो, बोलो भैया राम नाम, बोलो भैया राम। फिर दोबारा हर किया है सपन, हर किया है सपन जन्म हमारा, हर किया है सफल जन्म हमारा, हर जपिया हर हर की हमारी सफल जात मिल संगति गुण गमनो मिल संगति गुण गमनो बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया राम बोलो भैया राम नाम पतित पावनो हर संत भगत तारनो हर भरपूर रे अजल तल रामना नित गाय हर दुख विसारनो बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया राम मन राम नाम करे आशा मन राम नाम करे आशा मन राम नाम करे भाव दूजा बिनस बिनासा मन राम नाम करिया भाव दूजा बिनस बिनासा मीतिया सा होय निराशी मीतिया सा होय निराशी सो जन मिलिया हर पासी सो जन मिलिया हर पासी सो जन मिलिया हर कोई राम नाम कोई राम नाम गुण गावनो कोई राम नाम गुण गावनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो कोई राम नाम कोई राम नाम गुण गवनो कोई राम नाम गुण गवनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया राम पतित पावनो बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया राम हर किया मान राम नाम करिया था मान राम नाम कर मान राम नाम करिया भाव दूजा बिनस बिनासा मान राम नाम करिया भाव दूजा बिनस बिनासा मितिया सा होय निराशी वित्तिया सा होय निराशी सो जन मिलिया हर पासी सो जन मिलिया हर पास कोई राम नाम गुण गवनो कोई राम नाम गुण गवनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो जान नानक तिस पग लावनो बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया पतित पावनो हर संत भगत तारनो हर बार पूर रे अजल तल राम नाम नित गय हर दुख विसारन बोलो भैया राम नाम बोलो भैया राम नाम